How to share Shein Wishlist on app. So go ahead and launch the Shein application. Now to locate your wishlist, just tap on any item and tap the ellipsis icon found on the upper right corner. Then select Wishlist, and from here you will find all of the items under your wishlist. So apparently you cannot send your wishlist directly to an app, but what you can do is to make a board. So head over to the Boards tab and create a board. So you can input a name for your board. So just tap the items that you want to add in your board. And when you're done, tap Add to Board. So now that you've created your board, you will find the share icon on the lower right corner in your board. So just tap that icon and you can send this board to WhatsApp, Facebook, Message, Twitter, Instagram, or you can just copy the link. And so that is how you share Shein Wishlist on app. Thank you and have a great day.